Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Fear-Free Passive Investing. Of course, my name is Lucas Miller, and I just want to start with an apology. I apologize for kind of dropping off the map there. We took some time off, me and the family, and we kind of just spent some time together. We went on some vacation time. We focused on growing as a family, obviously, and we focused on some new deals that we might have coming out soon. And we focused on the operations of the deals we already have going, especially business operations here at Bannock Capital. So we took some time off, kind of refocused, especially with COVID and everything that was going on. We kind of needed to take a break and refocus and recenter where we're focusing our time and our energy and our efforts. And unfortunately, sometimes the podcast is a lot of work that just has to fall by the wayside when we have like deals that investors are invested in that we need to take care of. So obviously, if you were an investor in one of my deals, you would probably appreciate that. But as a consumer of content, you probably don't appreciate that. So I apologize. But yeah, I took some time, connected with a lot of new investors too, which was really cool. I enjoyed having a lot of new conversations with folks that are probably coming over. A lot of them actually are coming over from the stock market, and some of them are coming over from other asset classes, and just saw how well multifamily performed during this COVID situation. And a lot of them kind of are just ready, that kind of pushed them over the edge. So all of that aside, I apologize, but there's also something else that I've probably been keeping from everyone. And that is that my wife and I are actually pregnant with our third kid, and we've been taking some time to really enjoy that. So, taking some time as a family of four. We have two other kids. So we've been just taking some time to prepare and enjoy our last few months as being a family of four, and spend time with family and really be with each other. So I apologize again for taking away some content, but hopefully we will be back to a very normal schedule starting soon. And the next episode, we're actually going to talk about kind of our mid-year review, where we're at right now, where we're going, where I see things going in the future anyway. And, we'll just go on from there. But I also want to encourage you, if you have any questions or if you want answers to anything, I might make a video about it, might not, but anything you want answered, head over to your email and go to fearfreepassive@gmail.com and just send me an email with any questions that you have, and I'd be happy to talk you through them. Or you can go to fearfreepassive.com and schedule a phone call if you'd rather do that. So again, thank you. I appreciate every one of you, and sorry it took so long to get an episode out, but hopefully we will be back next week with some more regular content. Thanks, everyone.